Fear. We all have it. When we travel, we always wonder about the potential dangers we will face and hope not to face them at all. Well, in Thailand, I took on one of my fears head on. Koh Samui is much more than just beautiful beaches. There are lots of things to do, see, and experience, and some things you may not want to experience.
Where are we going?
Koh Samui in Thailand.
Koh Samui! Koh Samui, baby! Miles got to help out the car rental guy take our suitcases to our car. It's kind of cute.
First stop, Big Smiling Buddha. Hope you'll be happy to see us.
This is absolutely beautiful. Smiling Buddha, giant smiling Buddha, big smiling Buddha. Kind of taking it easy today, enjoying the sights and maybe hitting the beach. This is the hottest day on our travels yet so far. It's hot. Whew. Not going for a run today. I don't know what my feelings are about that. Interesting.
This is his company. He lets this dog just live here.
Yeah?
Live here, yeah.
Is that true? He just lives here? Is not your dog? Can I do that? Can I just crash on the couch and live
He likes the smell of coffee.
He named him
What's
Coffee the dog.
Coffee the dog. Coffee's a good name for a dog. Just walked through that market and yeah, I like the smells a lot and kind of brought back the days when I used to work in a slaughterhouse. Ugh, I don't know, not so hungry anymore. It was like when I was a kid when you fixed my car, there's pieces everywhere in the dad's garage. I guess it's back in the 70s again, Canada. And I'm not dating myself. Oh, I guess I did. I want to see the waterfall, Mutang Waterfall, and Koh Samui. It's supposed to be nice. Check it out. There were some elephants back there. It's the ones you ride though, so we're not going to ride them. And I'm not going to get into that, but yeah, we're not riding them. Got all these markets here, and just before we go up, trying to get our money to buy some stuff. On the way here, we went through like a huge rainstorm, then sun, and then a rainstorm, and then sun again. So we got our rain jacket, so when it rains here, you better have a rain jacket because it's a lot of rain.
Hello everybody, we're at Na Muang Waterfall in Koh Samui. Super beautiful. This is waterfall 1 of 2. So we're going to climb up to the next one.
Yeah, maybe we'll get some drone shots of the next one. This one's too many people.
Yeah, a lot of tourists here.
Yep.
We expect that though, right?
No, we're supposed to be the only ones here.
On the way up to the next waterfall, we ran into the Scorpion Man.
Wow.
That's your friend.
Yes. I will tell him
What's his name?
Jackie.
Jackie. Okay, he is your friend.
Not Jackie Chan, only Jackie.
Not Jackie.
Jackie Tai.
I
Goodness.
can't.
Ah, are you scary?
Yeah.
It's very friendly.
Did you take his stinger out?
No. It's scary.
Here we go. Marco does not like bugs of any kind.
Hey, that's cool.
No.
Take
How are you
it.
feeling? How are you feeling?
No.
No. They don't like bugs.
They want to go with you.
No. Oh. Thank you.
Oh, how was that?
Oh no. Yeah, man. I know the man. I just don't like bugs.
You're so brave.
Oh my God, I'm not brave. Well, that would not fly back home. That would be safety violation for sure, sitting on the top of a truck. I think my cousin got in trouble for that.
The best show for you. Langen show. Spectacular Cobra.
You want to see?
Spectacular
The King Cobra show.
You want to go see the King Cobra?
Yeah.
You know that they get you to hold the cobra, right?
No, they don't.
They might. Here, they might.
All right, that's pretty funny. The washroom sign, they're holding it in. They have to hold it. It's been a long time. They gotta go to the washroom. Look. The waterfall?
I kind of actually think that it is.
I don't think it is. Let's go up more.
That's the
What? The water side looks like really dangerous.
So we're at Na Muang Waterfall number 2, and this one's a lot better. There's less people here. There is people waiting in line to take pictures, so it'll be quick. But pretty amazing waterfall, and we're going to show you some drone shots too. So it's awesome. We had to hike here, and we had some coconut water on the way.
Marco, don't forget to remind them.
Oh, I forget what to tell them. You tell them.
Alright. Koh Samui's Big Smiling Buddha and waterfalls are an absolute must-see. And don't be dumb like Marco by putting scorpions on yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
And did we see that? Walking down the street? The elephant on the side of the road. Not chained up, he's just hanging out. It's like running into a bear in Canada. We walked into a 7-Eleven just to cool off, right, Jaden? It was Jaden's big idea.
No idea.
Good idea. And you know the 7-Elevens here? What don't they have?
Slurpee.
They don't have Slurpees. No Slurpees. What the heck?